Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by warming the oil. Run the compressor for 5 to 10 minutes so the oil thins and drains cleanly. Once done, shut it off and unplug the power. Then open the drain valves and bleed residual pressure from the tank and pump so you can work safely. Make sure you have a drain pan under the pump, the correct wrench, and the specified compressor oil ready. Doing these steps first prevents burns and reduces contamination, and it sets you up to remove the old oil quickly and cleanly. You now drain and inspect. Place the pan under the pump, then remove the drain plug or dipstick slowly to control flow and catch the oil. Watch the oil color and look for metal flakes or milky emulsified appearance. Those signs indicate internal wear or coolant contamination and need attention. Once drained, wipe the mating surfaces, inspect and replace any worn gasket or O-ring, and thread the plug back in snugly. Don't over-torque. This step prevents leaks and ensures the new oil. You finish by refilling with the manufacturer-specified compressor oil to the proper level using the dipstick or sight glass. Pour slowly to avoid aeration. Once filled, plug in and run the compressor for a short cycle while watching for leaks and rechecking the oil level. Top off if it drops. If you see foaming, persistent leaks, or poor pressure build, stop and check the drain plug gasket, O-rings, and that you used compressor-rated oil. Correcting these usually resolves common post-change issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.